Hi folks, Kurt Jenkins here to talk about our commercial I-beam style inverted wood splitter. Jenkins Iron and Steel is family manufacturer, stand behind absolutely everything we build. All we build is commercial grade stuff. Now this wood splitter is no exception. We use a 5-inch cylinder on this. This is a 36-inch stroke on that cylinder. It'll shear a railroad tie in half. They don't stop for anything. AR 400 abrasion resistant cutting blade on this. We do have everything ready to go as you see it. It'll have hoses, cylinder, flat face couplers, everything ready to hook onto your machine and go. You can check us out on our website, jenkinsironandsteel.com. Give us a call. We'll put you into the right splitter for you.